So welcome back to my channel. Today's episode we are going to talk about my 10k Maven instant account. I bought this account some months ago and I am able to make 2% of the account. And in order to reach withdrawal, I have to make 3% of the account, which is $300. I am trading a 10k account, so I need a $300 to make withdrawal, which is equivalent to 3%. Alright, so this account is going very well as how I want it, and so I would like to share my dashboard for us to see what's going. I'm very happy, so I would like to share my dashboard so that maybe we can learn something from it. All right, so as you can see, this is my dashboard. I like the dashboard because it's very simple to go through. Very simple. It's not complicated. You understand the dashboard easily. It's a 10k account, and we can see I've already made $205, as you can see, which is 2% up. A 10k instant account, so I need 3% in order to make withdrawal. I have all-time renewal rate of 49%. So before I am able to withdraw this account, I need to make a consistency score below 20%, and now my consistency score is 67, so I need a little more trade to make this 20%. My best trade was $58 on a single pair, and my worst trade was $20. So as you can see, I am managing my risk over here. I don't risk enough. My best trade pair was USDCHF, and worst trade pair was USDJPY. Alright, so let's come here. These are the trades I have taken on the account. As you can see, here are them. And as you can see, here are the trades. This is the best part I love about this dashboard because it makes it so easy. I started this account from the March on 12 March 2026. As you can see, this particular month I made only $64. On the March I made only $64, and April of this month I made 156, which is this month I've made $156. So I am left with about $100 to make the withdrawal. Very simple. Everything is going well as I want it. Subscribe to this channel if you find this information very useful. I'll be updating all my trades. If I make withdrawal, I'll post it over here, and if I blow the account too, I will post it over here. Thanks for watching.